check it out. Food Fun Finance, we at it again. We are in Puerto Vallarta. If I said that wrong, please drop a comment and let me know how to actually say it. We are at the taco bar, and we about to dive into some of this. Film it. Thank you. So it's like you working for yourself. Let's go up there and get some of the condiments. Is that spicy?
Yes, they're medium spicy.
And what's this?
Medium spicy. Is it very spicy?
Very spicy.
Is it very spicy?
What's not spicy?
Not spicy is the guacamole. Is it that?
Okay.
Oh yeah, who's on your shirt?
My nephew. Food Fun Finance. You see the garments that I'm wearing. I am wearing Yahuda garments. Look at it. Don't it make me look even flyer? Look at the head. Look at the shirt. The link will be in the bio. Stay tuned. We about to dive into this food. It's a Corona. So y'all already know how I do. I dive into my Corona and I drink my margarita all before I eat. Right? Oh my God, this is strong. So it's the perfect combination of margarita and a Corona. Y'all stay tuned for the food on. The food is here. Food Fun Finance, we're back at it. About to jump into this quesadilla. So, you know, things are always made different. We gotta try things differently. So, what I'm looking at is the corn tortilla and the chicken on top of it. And you can see the cheese was thrown up in there too. So the queso is underneath there. It's a little twist on the on the quesadilla. I like it. The queso tastes real authentic. So I got the pastor. Gotta squeeze that lemon on there. Help with the digestion. So let's taste it without the guacamole and the salsa. So let's taste it with the sauce. That guac is good. He said it wasn't spicy either. It's spicy too. The Food Fun Finance, stay tuned for the review. So, what y'all came for, the review. We are at Villa del Palmar in Puerto Vallarta. So, with that being said, there's two different resorts. There's the Flamingo and then there's this one. And I'm still confused on is what the actual name is for this one, because if the other one is Flamingo, then what's this one's name? Is it like the original? Like, I'm trying to understand. When I figure it out, I will let you know. So we're gonna do environment, customer service, food, then pricing. So environment. We are in freaking Mexico. Puerto Vallarta. the environment is beautiful. We're gonna walk down to the beach. There are birds flying everywhere. A bird just literally almost hit me. They're like literally looking for food everywhere. It's beautiful. To me, this is paradise. One thing, this is a disclaimer, and I want y'all to understand this. Like really get close to me. You need to understand that when you are in Mexico, please, as much as you're going to be drinking, in my eyes, you're going to need electrolytes. It is very hot. So when I said that, that's underrated. It's extremely hot. Now we in the food. The food was great. What I really enjoyed in my personal experience was the quesadilla. I really liked the cheese. I don't know what type of cheese it was, but it's really flavorful. It was like sweet, a little bit of salty, like not salty isn't bad, but you know, flavorful. I really liked the quesadilla. The pastor tacos were really good. The drinks, oh my God. If you can't tell by now, the drinks will get you lit. So I give them about a 4. So Food Fun Finance, the customer service was excellent, man. She was very knowledgeable on the things that we were eating and giving me the different names of the queso that we was eating and the actual tequila that they used in the margarita that I had in this La Mission, Mision, and that's a local tequila. So that tequila is very good. So with that being said, the food was like what, $40. So I mean, I think that was pretty average, you know, being at a resort. We're about to go out and have some fun on the city. Stay tuned, Food Fun Finance. We are about to tear down Puerto Vallarta. I said it wrong again. Please forgive me.